Omduma.
Ngithi uzoyirefa kancane nje ngizwe.
Khiphe ngereve.
Nalos.
Cabanga futhi njani?
Khona kunjani mama?
Ngiright.
Sharp. Good to see you.
Very
Good to see you. Ne?
I'm here at Jeff's house to have a conversation with him about allowing the rest of my spin family, which is Koli, Samu, and Ngozi, to be on his lineup for his 11th birthday bash at Wheels and Smoke.
Hola Nalos.
So, yakhumbula ukuthi njobe ngikhuluma nawe lapha ngingacela ukuthi ngize ngizokubona.
Yes.
Because ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe nga something. So isizathu bekuwukuthi bengifuna ukucelela, I know ukuthi iphumile lineup yakho, but bengifuna ukucelela a couple of extra people ukuthi ngiphilisana nabo kulento lesiyenzayo.
I'm asking Jeff to add everyone onto his lineup because my fingers, my toes, everything is just crossed, hoping that Samu is going to be able to participate on this day at Jeff's 11th birthday party.
Since this industry is growing,
Yes.
and it's a fast-growing sport, I need to support you guys in all four angles.
Jeff James is a legend in spinning, and not just a legend in Soweto. He's a legend in spinning throughout South Africa.
I love the young ones coming into the sport, and we need to Spanikezi support as much as possible.
Yeah, ne stage.
You understand that?
Yes, but
Sibafake sibone ukuthi bapusha kanjani amachita and then event ibe successful.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited for all of us to be in one place and celebrate. And I'm like looking forward to it more than I was before I came here to ask him because I was actually even scared.
kakhulu.
Nalos asihlangane ke nge-road show. I know ukuthi bangiphethe wena la eceleni.
Mnandi.
Imbokodo ngimnandi.
Maswiti.
Nalo
Yami hayi sobe silapha.
Re go mako re lo jia ngwana ra tswa le zeze ra di shopo ke nyobola le na something ebene re vukutja ngomdala umdala ngile
What's happening anyway?
ngile danga khuluma naye umdala
What's that?
yalo mona tene lento yena uza solve ang relax uzahamba ukhuluma no time ara yabo.
Okay.
So ibile plus ngiyangazi nokuthi angiringi no time ulwe flat bona waqeda ukwenza into ezi-right nami ngenza into right ntho ya papa ore a patele damage fona if lora ipatele tlo affecta taba ya ka ya damage ya njabo kora rena he nkare ke a tsamaya go patela damage abo zesha ona re ba ka dumela gore ke berekise sefane sa bo mmaka.
Nina mangabe nikhokha ama damages la niyenza njani? Ngoba ngathi eyeni different from le yethu.
Thina la ngitshela ngathi nga 6000 siyashada la. 6000 shada.
Kana wada washada nge 6000.
La lobola nice and simple. Nice and easy. 6 ayini. Go social la bayana 6000. Ya mo patela ya mo tshwana le damage ya 2000.
Mele ukhiphe inkomo yokugeza igceke yokuthi ukhulelisa umntwana ungamshadanga. Mele ukhiphe ezuthu ukuhlabula unjabulo naleyo qala. So inkomo ezi3 in total